Welcome back. A berry found deep in the Amazon rainforest is quickly becoming the latest health supplement craze. In today's On Your Side Health, Karina Sullivan with why it is so popular. All right, Karina, how do you get the benefits of this berry? Is it in a juice?
Yes, Amy. Actually, the acai berry is most often taken in juice blends, in antioxidant cocktails, so to speak. So why is it all the rage? New York Times best-selling author Dr. Nicholas Perricone rates it the #1 superfruit in the Perricone Promise, helping you look younger and live longer. And a University of Florida study says it can even blast cancer cells. So get this. Doctors say the acai berry has 10 times more antioxidants than red grapes. And that's impressive because antioxidants are known to boost the immune system and promote healing. University of Florida researchers studied extracts from acai berries and found they can trigger a self-destruct response in up to 86% of leukemia cells. But remember, these juices are supplements, not medicine, and not a guaranteed cure. The berry also has been known to improve joint pain and boost energy, so it's particularly helpful for athletes. And juices with the acai berry can be expensive, up to about $40 for a bottle. Oftentimes a 1-ounce shot in the morning and at night, and that'll run you about $3 a day.